Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alicia and I share beauty and lifestyle videos, so I would love you to subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, then welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a Tarte unboxing, so if y'all want to see what I got, then just keep watching. So I know that it's January and the holidays are over. Yes, I do still have my Christmas tree up in here because it's just so pretty and pink and I love it. And even though it's like a Christmas tree, I don't feel like it looks too Christmassy, so I don't know. I might leave it up for a little bit longer. I need to add some Valentine stuff to it, just turn it into a Valentine tree. But it kind of works out that my tree is still up because what I'm going to show you is actually some of Tarte's holiday collection. And I know the holidays are over, but I still wanted to share them with y'all because number one, I'm excited to see everything. I have not opened the box. I've kind of peeked inside, but I wanted to wait and do it here on camera so y'all can get my live reaction. But I wanted to still share it because a lot of this stuff is actually on sale right now. So everything that is still available, I will link down below in the description box. And I actually was gifted this from Tarte. That's what makes it even more exciting. But if you've been following me for a while, y'all know that Tarte is my favorite brand. That is actually why I reached out to them. And they sent me some of their holiday collection, so I wanted to share it with y'all. Y'all, there is so much stuff in here and I am so dang excited. I really wanted to open it. That's why I wanted to go ahead and film because I wanted to wait on y'all. I did peek. Okay, let me just... Oh, I already losing stuff. And there's more stuff. Look at it all. It's like Christmas in January. Okay, so I'm going to show this first because I think I'm probably most excited about this, and unfortunately I don't think this set is still available, but anything that is I will link in the description box. But this is 4 new eye and face palettes. So the Park Avenue Princess one is a bronzer, blush, and highlight. And then the other 3 are eyeshadow palettes. Oh my gosh, look how cute. So this is going to be really good for traveling. Okay, let's be honest. When I travel, I take my full-size palettes, several full-size palettes, and too much makeup, but for normal people this would be good for traveling. So this one is the Tartelette, and then this one is the contour palette, the Park Avenue Princess. Love this one. This one is the Big Ego, which, well, it says all of these are new, but there is not a Big Ego palette. I love this one. That is a really pretty, like, pinky purple. And then hot pink packaging. So cute. And then Lights, Camera, Lashes palette, which there's not one of these either. So that one is a really pretty... This one might be my favorite because it's like neutrals, but like pinky neutrals. Love. Ooh, and a brush set. Look at those. So it comes with a large powder brush, tapered complexion brush, angled blush brush, blending eyeshadow brush, and a flat shader brush. Really pretty. Look, it matches my tree. It's like a rose gold and then wooden handle on the bottom. A Mascara Gift Set, which I am super excited about because it has my favorite mascara, which is Man Eater. And then it also comes with the Lights, Camera, Lashes 4-in-1 mascara, which is Tarte's #1 selling mascara. And then it has the Lash Smoothie that is part of their Sugar Rush collection. So I have not tried that one, so I'm excited to give that one a try. And then this other gift set is a eyeliner gift set. So it has the Man Eater Self Sharpening Eyeliner, which is a pencil. Oh yes, the Easy on the Eyes clay liner that is also part of the Sugar Rush collection, and then the double take eyeliner that has a pencil on one side and then a felt tip pen on the other. But I love the Easy on the Eyes clay liner. I use that in my waterline because it's waterproof, and this is the shade Bronze. And that looks so pretty, so I am very excited to try that. And then there are a few lip sets that I am super excited about. So this first one, it has a lip mask by Awake, which is Tarte's skincare line, and then it has a vegan lip oil from the Sugar Rush collection, and then a Man-Eater plumping gloss. So really excited about this set. And then there are 2 sets from their C collection, and I'm very excited because it has their new-ish H2o Balm. And I have been wanting to try that. So there are 2 different colors. Let's see if it says Salt Life and Villa. So Salt Life is probably the most popular color in their C collection. It is a really pretty kind of pinky berry color. And then there is the Villa on top, which is kind of a nude color. So it comes with the Quench Lip Rescue H2O Gloss and the H2O Balm. So let me open one of these really quick. So here is the balm, and as you can see, it is like a crayon, so I am very excited to try that. And it looks like they're minis except for the Quench lip balm. And y'all, if you have not tried these before, they are seriously so moisturizing. So I'm very excited. And then look at this packaging. How stinking cute is that packaging? And then here is the gloss. So it just has a normal doe foot applicator, and then I guess I could go ahead and swatch them for y'all so you can see what they look like. So here is Salt Life. So that one is the balm in the colorful packaging, so you can see it just has a hint of color, so I really like that. And then the middle one is the other balm, the crayon balm, and then this one is the gloss. So you can see that one is the most pigmented, but they are all so pretty. I'll go ahead and swatch Villa 2 while I am swatching. Okay, kind of awkward to see, but hopefully you can see them. And then I did the same thing. This one is that stick balm, the crayon balm, and then the gloss. Hopefully y'all can see it good. I know, I'm the worst swatcher ever. And then this other C kit is another H2O gloss, the Surfer Curl eyeliner, and then the Surfer Curl mascara. And these are actually all full size. So the H2O gloss is in the shade Calm, and then the waterproof gel eyeliner is just black, and it has a built-in sharpener. And then the Surfer Curl mascara is sweat-proof, smudge-proof, 12-hour flake-free. It has vitamin E that conditions your lashes, and then it lengthens and curls. So I have tried that mascara before. It's honestly not my favorite, but I am gonna give it another try. And then I have not tried the Surfer Curl eyeliner, so I'm excited to try that one too. Another mascara kit that has another Man-Eater mascara that I'm super excited about, and then another Lights Camera Lashes, and another double take eyeliner. So since I got a couple multiple items, I might do a giveaway. So comment down below if you want me to do a giveaway with some of these products. And then I saw this next thing whenever I was peeking in the box. Look at this brush. So this is the buffer brush that was made for the Amazonian clay. But usually every holiday they will come out with a like limited edition one with a different handle, and this one by far is my favorite because of the pink glitter. So obsessed. I mean, look at that. Look, it matches my nails. Matches my nails, matches my tree. If there was one brush that was me, it is this one right here. Rose gold up here and on the bottom, and then pink glitter. And then every holiday they come out with a new eyelash curler, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I'm a little disappointed that it is this one, that I got this one, because even though it's pink rhinestones, they had a leopard print one and I really wanted that one. But I am grateful for this one too, because I mean, it's pink rhinestones. Let's be honest, I like this one too. Okay, I'm almost done. Only 3 more things. This next item is the Whipped Body Butter by Sugar Rush, and it is in the scent Gingerbread. And look how cute. It has little gingerbread men on the lid. So it is sealed, so I'm not going to open it because I might put this in my giveaway if I do one, just because I am not a big food scent person. But I do absolutely love the Whipped Body Butter. It makes your skin feel so smooth and hydrated, and it's not one of those sticky lotions, because a lot of times I don't like putting lotion on because it is sticky and I'll just do it like at night when I'm about to go to bed. But this does not feel like that at all. It feels amazing, and I'm sure it smells really good, but like I said, I'm not really a food smelling person. But yeah, so the product is really, really good. I just don't know if I would like the smell. Okay, and then the last 2 things are eyeshadow palettes. I'm very excited. Okay, I'm excited about everything, but I am excited about these palettes. Oh, look how pretty the packaging is. It's pink, and this is also part of the Sugar Rush collection. It is Sweet Tart Frosted. Cute. And those colors are really pretty. And then the last item is this palette by the C Collection. How pretty is that packaging? So this is the Salt Life palette. Ooh. That is really pretty. So that is everything that Tarte sent me. Comment down below and let me know which product you are most excited to see. I might do a tutorial using not all of it, but most of it. That way y'all can see what it looks like on, and you can get my first impression of it. But even though this is part of their holiday collection, I hope y'all still enjoyed this. Like I said, a lot of these products are still available and on sale, so definitely check them out. I will link everything that is still available down below in the description box. But if y'all did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my videos. I have some fun ones planned, but I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.